In this video, I will show you how to unzip a file on Android phone. So first, go to the Google Play Store and search for an app like Unzip, or you will find the list of unzip tools, so you can install any one of them. So install the app, and once the app is installed, open the app, locate the zip file you want to unzip. This is usually in your downloads folder. Once the app is downloaded, click on open, and you will land on screen like this. Here you can see we have two options, file and internal storage. So click on internal storage. Now here in the list, look for downloads folder. This is where your download file will be. Now you should see your zip file listed here. You can see the three dots next to the file. Click on it and a menu will appear like this. So click on unzip here and the content of the zip file will be extracted into a new folder. Next, what you have to do is exit this app, open your file manager, refresh this, and you will see a regular folder with your unzipped files inside. So now you can open it and use them as needed.